critters and tiny house people. Do you know what this is? This is the cylinder head and barrel, the top half of a small two-stroke motor, like on a weed eater or a lawnmower, or even a small trail bike, that kind of thing. And these fins that on here, they radiate the heat that the engine produces, and that got me thinking. And I thought of a fabulous way to improve the efficiency of a wood stove. So what I've ended up doing is I went and cut myself a piece of micro corrugated iron, baby corrugated iron some people call it, and I've wrapped that around the chimney flue and carefully measured it so that there's a wee gap at the back, and I've drilled a series of 4 holes on each side and put little wire C-clips through, and those wire C-clips clamp it tightly to the chimney flue. And I've discovered that it makes quite a difference to the temperature. I've got heat belting off here, and as soon as I get to there I can feel that the top of the flue is relatively cool. I've got a temperature gun here. We'll do some temperature tests on it and you'll see. At the bottom part of the radiator we've got 165. Up here at the top of the radiator, you'll see that it has cooled right down to just 76 degrees. That means that what we've done is all that heat has been taken away from the flue and given out into the room, and you can feel the difference. You can feel the difference of the heat here compared to the relative coolness of up here. An amazing difference. And because I have this lying around, because I use it as heat shielding behind stove installations, it didn't actually cost me anything. It was just an offcut. I could add another one to the top and double the effect. So I'm well chuffed with it. And I think if you have a wood fire and it's not quite doing the job, you should give that a go. Let's have a look up on the wall and check some temperatures. I've got an inside and outside thermometer on the wall over here. What have we got there? It's 29.6 degrees inside, nearly 30 degrees, and outside it's a chilly 1.8 degrees above freezing. So I've got a lovely, toasty, warm evening inside by the fire, being assisted by this little beauty here, which, as I say, is just an offcut of this baby corrugated iron. So, that's another handy tip from Tiny House and Offgrid Resources. If you'd like to see more of this, subscribe to the channel. The button's down in the left-hand corner here. And if the video is any use to you, hit the like button as well, it all helps. See you in the next video.